Welcome to GIJO Gadgets Collection again. Today we'll be unboxing a newly received Helifar C1. It's actually a battery charger. Okay, yeah, this is the box. It comes with 4 channels, and you can actually charge the battery type LiPo LiHV, NiMH and NiCd. Okay, you can actually charge from 1S to 2S, but for NiMH and NiCd is from 2S to 6S. As you can see from here. Okay, I'll unbox it. Helifar C1. Okay, this is the manual given with few language. Okay, there's English here, so make sure you read first. Okay, so okay, there you are, Helifar C1. Helifar C1. This is the AC port, and there's a DC port where you can use your LiPo battery with XT60 from 2S to 4S. DC 7 volt to 17 volt, and you have 4 channels here from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, each of the channel you have a few different type of the battery port. As you can see here, channel 1 and channel 2. Each channel you have 6 type of port, but you only can put 1 battery at a time when you charge. So this is a battery type where you can charge SM NiMH from 2 cell to 6 cell, and also this is XH2S port, also micro MX port, JST, and also MCPX. So this part is for LiPo or LiHV, LiPo high voltage battery. Same goes as here. And also this is the channel 3 and also channel 4. Okay. So this is the AC cable, where we'll try out later. You can plug here. Okay. Okay. This is a cable provided using the NiMH port, SM port for you to. It's optional that you can charge your battery, such as Tamiya head or a few other heads model. You can charge using this optional cable. Okay, it came together. Okay, you can try power up. There you are, it's power on. As you can see now, it's been set as to charge LiHV battery. Okay, so this is the current you can choose, and also dedicated channel to choose what battery type you want to charge. Okay. So this is the current. You can go maximum up to, okay, minimum is 0.1 ampere and maximum is 1 ampere. So let's say 1 ampere. Here you can choose either want to charge NiMH or LiPo battery or LiPo high voltage. So it's blinking, which means you can actually set for the whole 4 channel. Okay, so let's say you want to set 1 ampere, goes, and then okay, there you can actually change this to charge NiMH, and this one you can change to charge LiPo. Okay, and then the rest to charge LiHV. Wait. Okay. Yep. Okay. So on top of here, I have prepared a few battery here for testing, just to show you. So this is a NiCd battery with a SM battery port, where we can plug here, right? Okay, so of course, if you want to charge this is 500 mAh, so I guess, yep, you have to set this one, and then you have to change this port. Yes. Oops. Okay. Oh, how do you save that? Okay, save. So you got one NiMH here. So what you do is, you only can charge 2 to 6 cells. This is 4 cell. Okay, so we can just try and plug in, and goes. It's charging, and here shows the voltage. Okay, so when it's full, it will show green. Okay, so we'll just dismantle. Okay, now we have this LiPo high voltage battery. Okay, as you can see, it is a HV here. So if you want to, this is 350, so we can actually put 4 ampere. 4 ampere. Okay, and here goes. We'll use channel 2, and we'll plug on the XH2S port, and it goes charging. Battery cell is 8.3, and cell number 1 4.15, and cell 2 4.17. This is the voltage shown for each of the cell. Okay, again, and when it's finished, we'll show you the color of green color. Okay, so same goes to other port. We have micro, where you can actually just LiHV. Okay, we just power off this. Okay, so you can have a micro, you can plug, you charge, or else you have JST. You have JST port, you can plug here as well, one at a time. Okay, and also we have MX port. MX port, you can charge a smaller MX cable plug. You can plug in here. Okay, and last we have the MCPX, like this one. You can plug. Okay, so we have tested all the plug, whichever that you desire to charge. Okay, now we'll try on the DC port. I have a 4S LiPo battery, and this is 4S support. So if you go on field without electricity power, you can actually use your 2S battery to 4S battery to charge your 1 to 2S battery. So what you do is you just plug it in. You see the same screen using the AC power. So from here you can charge. Probably want to charge your LiPo. Charge your LiPo, and this is 1 ampere. 1 ampere. You can set it, and then okay, I want to set to normal LiPo. Okay, set setting. From here I can charge my LiPo. Either I'm using my micro port. It's charging. And you can see the voltage 3.8, the current voltage for one cell. Okay, or even you want to use JST, you can plug it here. There you are. Okay, you want to charge your MX port. Okay, alright, so when you are done, you can just unplug, and there goes. So I like this charger very much. It's portable and it's quite light. Okay, you can put in your bag, bring together with your LiPo. You can charge on field, and the best thing is you have 4 channel. You can charge on separately, and also charge an NiMH battery this type. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Thank you.